Hello again, this is Bobby from Copel TV Repair with yet another video proving functionality of Y-Main and buffer boards for Samsung HPT5054 and a number of other TVs where the same are used. This is the original customer's boards. They all came to be bad. The buffer board particularly bad. Somebody has tried to push the IC here. It looks rubbed off. Most likely it is still repairable. The Y-Main had too many failures to be worth fixing. Nobody has worked on it, which was good, but it had this whole side, the recovery busted, the sustain ICs here. Whenever we see, what was it, that capacitor busted, oftentimes it usually will have problems over here as well. This one will also, it may or may not be installed. Anyhow, repairing that board would require at least 10-15 components maybe to be replaced. It doesn't always work well, so we proposed the customer to replace. The only one that didn't test out bad was the bottom buffer. But just a minute ago I was actually recording such a video and put it in, and you can see it was labeled. It didn't work out. The whole set didn't work out as it's shown, and the reason was the lower buffer, which even though it doesn't test bad, apparently there is something wrong, probably from the original failure. So what we ended up doing, since we already quoted a customer, was replace it with a lower buffer board of our own. And so what I'm going to do now is just turn on the TV, and you should see it's already being fed signal. Alright. And we usually leave it to work like that for a short while. That's the signal that is being fed from that media box. This is the top buffer board that we replaced an IC on. It's just different from possibly another customer's. The unique signature. That's the unique signature of the bottom buffer, so that the customer knows that's what they're getting. And that's the unique signature on the Y-Main. That is all. Just for the record, you can also see on this video we're using a different power supply board, because the original boards for those BN44-160, 162, 188, they're hard to find these days, so we're using those adapted boards. That's all. Last look here. Working fine. Thank you.